Hey guys, this is Tracy Lee at the Freedom Lifestyle. Welcome to my video, and tonight I got some great news. I'm really excited to announce this. But before we get started tonight, I would like everybody to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell as well, so you'll get content just like this when I go live next time. To get all the juicy content just like this. Tonight, talk a little bit about what I've been doing in the background. Been doing videos like consistently, YouTube videos consistently. It's been a challenge for me, not being able to do them in the past, and now I'm starting to pick up on how to do them, and I'm just getting started. And I hope everybody gets value out of this tonight. But I'm just doing a quick video tonight. Recently, one of my coaches that I'm being coached by was actually got himself a GoPro 9 camera. It's right here. Let me show it to you. Put it up there to the lights. Yeah, it's a GoPro Hero 9, a new camera. It's awesome, man. He brought out a video this week of this camera for, when you're running around doing videos and stuff like that. It's awesome. You can set it up on a tripod, I believe. You can set up all kinds of accessories with it, but I saw the value in it for what I'm doing. I love shooting videos, and I'm busy all the time at my regular job, so I'm moving around a lot, trying to do videos on my own in the background while I'm working. But this Saturday I'm going to be picking up my GoPro. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pick it up right away or have it shipped to my house. He had his shipped to him. It was just a spectacular video. I really enjoyed it. But I'm definitely getting my GoPro this weekend. I'm so excited to get it. I'll be able to do short videos on the fly, along with my mobile, and really get some stuff going down here. But anyhow, this thing comes loaded, man. I was looking at this today. I got it on my phone here in the picture, and it's got new front display, new back display. He went through the video. You can find the video on YouTube, on his YouTube channel. But you can get it right here too. It looks like this. It's kind of hard to see it on the screen, but that's what it is, the new GoPro. And it's really cool. It's got the front camera and the back camera. And yeah, it's 30, and it's got 30% more battery life. Oh my gosh, this old laptop I'm using is just not cutting it. So anyhow, I just wanted to shoot this little video tonight, just to let everybody know I'm getting one this weekend, so that I can forward my business and start doing lives on a regular basis, like I've been doing. But actually use a little bit better technology in doing my lives. Yeah, if you're interested in the GoPro, you just go to GoPro.com, I believe, and Hero9.com, and it'll show you, all the cameras from GoPro all the way down to wherever they first started. I can't remember where they first started, but it's awesome. I can't wait to dive in and get it. Believe it comes with a tripod, so I can set it up. You set it up on your table, and you can set up your camera, and you can set it for timing, for timer and stuff like that, so you can prepare yourself before you go live. It's really awesome. But anyhow, I just wanted to throw that out there tonight, and I hope everybody has a good week. It's been busy for me this week. I've been trying to get things done. Been doing things in the background, while I'm working, and I get home and I do my business when I get home. But that's how you got to do it, and stay laser focused on that one thing. And doing these YouTube videos the last month, consistently doing a video every night for the last month. I'm going to continue doing videos every single night for the next 30 days. We're kind of in a 30-day YouTube challenge is what we're in our team, so it's been a real pleasure being in here and being like one of the last 7 people out of however many people started out, but we're one of the last 7. So I'm not really in it for the glory or for the money or anything like that, for the winning prizes. That would be nice. But I'm in it to, get the knowledge from doing these lives, getting better, at doing lives. And and forwarding myself, and investing in my intellectual capital to be able to do things like this. In the beginning, yes, it was really rough for me to start out doing videos. Hi, how was to do. It's hard. It's hard to do. It's a skill set, and you got to learn it. And that's basically what I'm doing. And that's what my other teammates are also doing, and they're all doing very well. I've seen a lot of their videos, and I'm flabbergasted at their, how they've come along, and morphed into something different, a different person than from when I knew them, from 30 days ago. And I know myself, I've changed a lot inside, and I feel great about it. I don't feel bad about it. I feel great. You want to get inspired about what you're doing, especially doing videos like this. I want to get inspired on learning how to, really buckle down on doing videos so I can apply that to my marketing. And that's what it's all about. And getting out of your comfort zone and doing little things like, buying the GoPro, for your business, it'll be for everything. I'll be able to take, photos and videos of, everywhere, anything I do with the family, the kids, everything. But basically for my business, being able to take, go to, live events, that would be awesome. Go to live events and just film, if you're allowed to take cameras in and film. Oh my gosh, that's just invaluable information, and very, very powerful, very, very powerful. It's very, just an extreme truckload of value that you can get from something like that. I know this now, and I didn't know it, 2 years ago. I didn't know this, and it's really, really opening up my mind to a lot of different ideas and a lot of different strategies. So, but I'm going to leave it at that. I hope everybody has a good week. If you want to get a GoPro 9, just give me a call, and I'll send you a link, or you can just look it up yourself. GoPro 9 Hero, GoPro 9 Black, and you can get set up too, doing videos just like this one. If you have any questions about what I talked about tonight, you can hit the links down below that are in the description, and we shall catch you on the next live. Have a good evening, and everybody stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.